Hey guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. Welcome this early Monday morning. Want to do a quick rundown of one of the hottest stocks of the past few years, at least the past 4, 5, 6 years, Tesla. So we'll do mainly a technical analysis so you guys can get an idea of what the experts think and what we're expecting. Also, we'll throw in some fundamentals, such as you can see for this week. Over the past few weeks, we've had a huge surge, which is nothing uncommon when it comes to Tesla. You can see back in 2017, had the Giga battery plant open up, a lot of nice productions. They had a semi announcement then. So did very well in 2017. And recently, Tesla delivered their first China-built car. So that's big news for them. Have to be very happy. So it's a good time to be a bullish trader with Tesla. As a matter of fact, reports say that short traders, they lost $8 billion recently on Tesla stock. So I want to be in those guys' shoes. Anyhow, let's take a look at some of the technical analysis. As you can see, I've drawn diagonal trend lines here. 1, 2, 3. We also have the horizontal support and resistance lines. You see we have a 200-day moving average. We are, with this stock, well above it. We're definitely in a bullish market. And we've broken through right here about 440, one of our diagonal channels. And right here where I've got circled is a lot of experts' prediction on where the price will go next. You can see that if it hits the top of this vertical channel, we're looking at about 515, 520, 511 there, and you got to give it some time. So about 520. A lot of experts are saying 515, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on with Tesla. A lot of important things. Could be the future of a lot of things besides cars. Boring company as well. We'll do a chart analyzation on that also for you guys. So again, if you guys have any questions regarding trading this stock or trading in general, beginners, intermediate, expert, feel free to find us at tradesupportgroup.com. Ask for a free consultation or just jump right in, get a package, get a coach on a live training chart. We'll be able to give you our best indicators, our best combinations, and our best technical analysis that's possible, so you can have all-in-one access to the market and a professional coach with you. So stay tuned, guys. We're expecting a big year for Tesla in general. 515 is our target areas where we're looking at. In all reality, it could go higher than that. But nonetheless, it's one of the hottest stocks on the market. So stay tuned for some more information on it. Thanks, guys.